Hey guys, I was at the lake yesterday and I was wondering, how could I get out in the water? And I was thinking to get these two kayaks. For their price, they might surprise you. We have two entry-level kayaks here today, the Angler 10 and another Angler 10. We got them at Walmart yesterday and you won't believe the price that we got it for. That will be at the end of the video. We have two 10-feet Angler 10 kayaks we got from Walmart. They're about 10 feet in length and they retail for about $250 to $350. These two kayaks are made out of high-density polyethylene. They're about 50 pounds each and they can have a weight capacity of 270 pounds each. Now I'll dive into the many details of the kayak. First is this drawstring cable, one here and one in the back. Two people can carry this kayak. It's about 55 pounds, as I said earlier in the video. You can put it in your pickup truck or carry it to your house. And now we have the semi-dry compartment where you can put your phone, wallets, etc. Next, we have the drawstrings where I like to put a life jacket here. And one of my favorite parts about this kayak is this accessory mount where you can put a rod holder like I have right here. Or I'm pretty sure you could put a radar to find fish. Next, we have the cup holder and another cup holder in between your legs. Now I'm gonna explain the cockpit in this kayak. First, we have the padding for this seat. It's not that thick, so I recommend going on Amazon and buying a thicker padding for about 45 bucks. We have another cup holder. This is like the smaller cup holder. I like to put my weights in here when I'm fishing or my other lures so I can easily hot swap with the rod in the back right here. And last but not least, we have a carry compartment where you could put a bag, tackle, and anything else you want that could fit. Now I'll reveal the price of this kayak, but first I'll tell you why it came for that price I'm gonna say later. It was the last on the shelf and it was on clearance, and my dad did a little bit of bargaining for some small details he found on the kayak. Now I'll reveal the price. It came in a grand total of $52.50.
What?
These two kayaks, they lasted about 5 hours of fishing, and I'm pretty sure they could last many more hours and days to come. One of my favorite features about this kayak is the stable base. It's able to cut through the water, and it's a sit-inside kayak. We also got a paddle. It didn't come with the kayak, and it's about $47. That's right, they're about the same price as the kayak.
Let's run away to the coast, somewhere far away from home. All we need is just ourselves.